Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Nag-react na po si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez sa naging revelasyon expose sa kanya ng isang witness ni Marcoleta. Yung sabi dating security officer ni Saldico, si Orly Gutesa. Sabi ni Speaker Martin, dating Speaker Martin, pilit na pilitan niya yung testimony ni Nalata. Pilit na pilit daw yung testimony ni Gutesa. Ayan yung statement ni Speaker Martin. Ayan posted 8 minutes ago pa lang. Sabi niya mga kababayan, I was deeply surprised to hear the allegation raised against me today before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee that several pieces of luggage supposedly containing money were ever delivered to a residence associated with me. The so-called testimony of Senator Marcoleta's witness is an outright and complete fabrication. Nothing more than a desperate attempt to link me to supposed kickbacks where none exist. Pilit na pilit. May nagsisinyas nga, yung tatlong beses niya. Nauli kampo. May director. Si Orly Gutesa. May director po na nagsisinyas. Nasa likod niya, Nasa likod ni Senator Erwin Tulfo. Nagsisinyas kay Orly Gutesa. Tatlo. Yan
Ilang beses po kayo mag-deliver doon sa 42 Forbes na sinasabi ninyo? Bakit po nilaman na bahay po ni Speaker yun? Sino po nagsabi?
Based doon po sa pa-deliver ng i-deliver sa bahay ni Speaker.
Sino nakakaalam? Si Paul at saka si Mark?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, dinadala po kayo doon sa bahay ni Speaker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang beses po kayo nag-deliver ng pera po doon?
Simula po nung pag-start ko doon is ang actual ko pong deliver is 3 beses, Your Honor.
3 beses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa isang delivery, ilang maleta po dinideliver niyo doon sa 42 Forbes?
Yung sa 42 Forbes, sir, Your Honor, yung sa nakuha naming 46 doon sa Bali noon, inakyat mo na yun sa bahay nila sa Horizon. Din nung ibinaba yung 46, naging 35 na lang yung box na naibaba.
Dinala saan?
Doon sa 42 Forbes na, Your Honor.
Sa bahay mo na ni Speaker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang beses kayo nag-deliver doon? Bisan lang? Ilan?
Ako, during that time, 3 beses sa akin, pero based doon sa group chat namin is, kasi namomonitor ko po yung group chat ng movement ng duty ng...
Sabi ni Speaker, pilit na pilitan niya. May director po para hindi magkamali sa kwento, sa script. Kaya sabi ni Speaker Martin, pilit na pilitan niya. The most telling, sabi po niya, the most telling flaw is the witness claim that deliveries were made to McKinley beginning December 2024. Imposible yan. That property has been under renovation since January 2024 and was unoccupied except for construction workers. Falsos in uno, falsos in omnibus. False in one thing, false in everything. Yan po ang legal maxim. This is clearly political in the product of coaching. I will not allow these perjurious statements to pass unchallenged. Hindi ko ito palalampasin. I repeat, I have never received or benefited from kickbacks in any infrastructure project. I have never authorized, instructed, or allowed anyone to engage in any conduct that would betray the people or taint my name. I welcome a fair, transparent, and impartial investigation to expose these falsehoods. I voluntarily resigned as a Speaker of the House of Representatives precisely to demonstrate my full support for the inquiry into flood control issues. I remain silent out of respect for the process. But now that my name has been maliciously dragged into this controversy, I will fight back. not with rhetoric but with evidence. Kahit kailan hindi ako nagnakaw ng pondo ng bayan. Hindi ko kailangan ng perang galing sa masama. To the Filipino people, I give you this solemn assurance. I will never betray your trust. Representative Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, 1st District of Leyte. So yan po yung statement ni Martin Romualdez.